Intro. What would you do if the Earth suddenly had not one, not two, but 6 suns? Sounds crazy, right? But hang on, what if this wild hypothetical scenario actually happened? Today we're taking a wild trip into this dazzling and potentially terrifying reality. And by the end of this video, you'll look at our single sun differently forever. Opening question. First off, why stop at 6? Why not 10 or 20 suns? Well, let's simplify a bit. Let's start by imagining that 6 stars have appeared in our solar system alongside our sun, turning it into a sextuple star system. What would happen to our planet if this jaw-dropping stellar event were to occur out of nowhere? Scientific setup. Understanding star systems. Okay, here's the first thing you need to know. Multi-star systems are not science fiction. In fact, sextuple star systems like Castor in the constellation Gemini exist out there in the cosmos. They are rare but very real. Though, spoiler alert, they're absolutely not friendly to planets like Earth. Stars in these systems orbit one another in gravitational ballet-like dances. Sometimes things go smoothly for billions of years, but other times, well, chaos reigns. Here on Earth, adding 5 more suns to the sky would almost certainly spell chaos. Let's break it down. How would this happen? Hold up! Before we dive into the aftermath, you might be asking, how would 6 suns suddenly appear? A rogue star system could wander into our solar system, gravitationally snaring our sun, and bringing its constellation of stars along for the ride. It's possible, in theory, based on known star migrations across the galaxy. But even a one-star collision would already turn the neighborhood into a galactic traffic jam. Still, hypothetically, let's say it happened. Earth's immediate consequences. First things first. Earth's orbit? Consider that obliterated. With 6 suns pulling at it, our stable journey around our beloved sun would scatter. Earth would likely careen on a completely erratic path as it got tugged and flung by the competing gravitational forces. Imagine the worst roller coaster ride of your life, and now multiply that by infinity. Now let's talk temperature. Right now, our distance from the sun provides the Goldilocks zone, just warm enough for liquid water and life, but not hot enough to fry us alive. Add 5 more suns shining in the sky, and we're looking at a temperature that skyrockets into catastrophic territory. Forget sunscreen. You'd need to live underground. The disappearing night. Say goodbye to night. Like, forever. Instead of the comforting darkness we're used to, Earth would be bathed in relentless light, day and night. The stars we now see in the night sky, gone, outshone by a glaring tapestry of suns, and no rest in the night means massive disruptions to every biological cycle. Sleep, feeding, reproduction, you name it. Nightlife as we know it, wiped out. Food, water, and life. Let's get real. Plants that depend on photosynthesis would overheat and wither, leaving the food chain in shambles. No crops, no food. Meanwhile, oceans would boil, literally boil, evaporating faster than we could even dream of saving them. Goodbye, water cycle, hello, wasteland. What about animals? Humans? Tragically, they'd face catastrophic extinction events unless we found a technological miracle to protect ourselves. And how long could we even last in doomsday-style underground bunkers? Other planets in the system. And here's a fun twist. We wouldn't be the only planet suffering. Every celestial body in our solar system would be thrown into chaos, an unimaginable jumble of orbits, collisions, and destruction. Mars, Venus, Jupiter could all take a page from a Hollywood disaster movie, spiraling out or even being ejected into frigid interstellar space. Human technological response. But let's flip this around now. Could humanity survive this insanity? Perhaps. We're an innovative species, right? Proposals such as constructing massive solar shields, Underground cities, or even underground agriculture could buy us some time. Maybe. And here's what's truly ironic. With all those suns, you'd think energy wouldn't be a problem. Harnessing solar power would become our prime directive. We're talking mega-scaled solar farms, industrial enough to power our resistance. Multi-sun culture and psychology. Let's get even weirder. A six-sun world wouldn't just rewrite our environment. It would rewrite human culture, too. How would art, religion, and traditions evolve around perpetual daylight? Would sun-centric myths emerge, celebrating or cursing the skies above? Think of how polar opposites like shadowy mystery and hope of dawn would simply vanish. Imagine a world where we only dreamed about night skies as ancient legends. Positive outlook. Before you lose sleep over this, it's essential to note one thing. This is purely hypothetical. Adding 5 suns to our solar system is a scenario designed to exaggerate what's possible. It introduces us to factors like gravitational chaos and the fine-tuning required for life to exist. In a way, this is a cosmic reminder to appreciate the harmony we live in right now. Our single, stable sun, it's not just lucky, it's miraculous. Final question to the audience. So, what do you think? If Earth suddenly had 6 suns, how would you adapt to survive? Let's chat about it in the comments below. Outro with CTA. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more mind-blowing what-if deep dives. Coming up next, what if black holes could communicate with each other? Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Till next time, keep looking up, preferably at just one sun. Ensure the expanded voiceover is even more entertaining, but that it maintains the same style, tone, and key points as the original.